CruzieTV, I'm Erica, and today I have a DIY on how to get knee-cut jeans. It's super easy, it'll take less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Today you will need jeans, scissors, and a white color pencil. The first thing you want to do is you want to start drawing out with the color pencil the line you want to cut right above your knees. It can be right on top of it, a little bit above or a little bit below, depending on your preference. Now I'm taking this color pencil, I'm drawing it out. It's kind of visible, kind of fading, but that's okay because you're going to cut over that line. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to start cutting the line that I drew. I pinched the jeans a little to make it easier to cut and go from there. Now I would recommend that you make sure your scissors are sharp enough. I had a little bit of trouble with mine and I wish I would have used a different pair of scissors. Okay, now what you're going to see me do here is I open up the scissors and I'm going to use them sort of like a blade or razor. You're going to want to sort of scrape the jean to get that distressed look to it. So I went ahead and I did the other leg of the jeans the same way I showed you on the first time, but here I want to show you a better view or a better angle of this method of brushing through or scraping through the jeans. The more you brush the scissors through or scrape them, the more they're going to look like distressed. Don't forget to do the same thing to the bottom part or else you're going to have a funky looking knee. Now it's not going to be perfect, but as you can see right now I'm adjusting the opening. I cut a little bit from the top, try to straighten it out, try to make it as even as possible. So after I made adjustments here and there, I have the perfect knee cut jeans and they're ready to be worn. So you're going to go from having these jeans to having these. If you don't like that, then maybe try a different look, like that. Or maybe dress it up a little bit more, like that. However you like it, you have the perfect jeans. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like you can see, it's super easy and quick, and you can dress the jeans up, dress them down, wear them however you'd like. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!